Hi everybody. Today my lesson is about solving two equations with two unknowns, x and y. And the method I am doing is called comparison because you compare the same variables. All right. This is my first example. I have y equals this, and another equation is also y equals something. Because the left-hand side are both y, therefore, the right-hand sides must be equal to each other. So, I let the right-hand side of equation 1 equals the right-hand side of equation 2. So this must equal to that because they are both y. So once I have this, move the 3x from right to left, move the -1 from left to right, I have x equals 5. Let me call this equation 3. I substitute the 3 into equation 1. So y is equal to 4 times x is 5, minus 1, I have 19. So this is how you solve this example. You compare the right-hand side because the two left-hand sides are both y. It's easy to understand. Just compare. Now the second example is slightly different. The first equation is y equals something, but the second equation is 2x plus 3y. It's not in the simple form y equals something. So, in order to use the comparison method, I need to change the second equation into y equals something. This is how you do it. I move 2x from the left side to the right-hand side, and I divide by 3 so that I have y equals something. So y equals this divided by 3, and it is equal to 2 minus that. Once I have y equals something, and another equation is also y equals something, then I can compare the right-hand sides. The two right-hand sides must equal to each other because the left-hand side are both y. So I have this. Compare the right-hand side. Then it's easy to move this term from right to left, move this -3 from left to right, continue, do the left-hand side, I have this, do the right-hand side, I have this, and x is 3. I can put the value 3 into equation 1, so y is 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is x equals 3, y equals 0. So that's called comparison method. It's not too complicated, and it's very easy to understand. You compare the y values, and you get the answer. I hope everybody follows the method, comparison. Yeah, no problem. I hope so. So, this is the end of today's lesson. Comparison method to solve two equations with two unknowns. Goodbye. See you next lesson.